Okay, this is 2.6, domain and range. Now, we are going over the warm-up. I need to calculate the rate of change from f of 3 to f of 5. F of 3 is which value, kids? 1, 2, 3. That's the biggest thing you have to memorize about this. This is your x value. This is your x value, okay? So, f of 3 equals, put that in parentheses, 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 7. F of 5 equals 5 squared minus 3 times 5 plus 7. When I put this into the calculator, I have 9 minus 9. What's 9 minus 9? 0. Plus 7. So f of 3 equals 7. Five squared is 25. 25 minus 15 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So please, 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 you have to see this. This is your x1. This becomes your x1. This becomes your x2. This becomes your x2. So then this is what? This is my, because I asked you. This is my y1. And this is my y2. So then I put in here y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Please do this step. Please take the time to do this step. x1 is 3. Sorry, I don't want x1 there, do I? I want y2, don't I? y2 is 17. y1 is 7. x2 is 5. x1 is 3. So this now becomes 10 over 2, which equals 5. My rate of change is 5. Now, another way to say rate of change is slope. M equals slope. So if you want to identify it as M, that's fine. Okay. Here we go. A function is a rule that establishes a relationship between two quantities. The two quantities are called the input and the output. Oh, son of a gun. We've already talked about this, haven't we? Yes. The input is what you put into your function. The input is known as domain. It is also your x. The output is what you get out of the function. The output is known as the range, and it is the y. Easy breezy. What is the domain and the range? Domain is your what? Domain is your what value? D, look. D comes before R. See that? D comes before R. X comes before Y. That's how you got to remember this. You got to come up with things like that to remember this stuff by. I know, it's hard. First hour, I just woke up, bro. Just came off a long weekend playing Fortnite. I don't know how to do it. I can do the Pee Wee Herman. You guys don't know what Pee Wee Herman is. Okay, domain. That's my x. So my domain equals, and I have to put them in order from smallest to largest. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. And I don't repeat. So if I had over here, I had another box and I had another -2, I would not write -2 twice. My range is my y. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all we're doing. Same thing here. Domain and range. I have an x and a y value. So I'm going to write domain d equals r equals. My domain is which value, x or y? So I'm going to start from right here on my x-axis. So yes, I have a -4. Then I go over this way. I'm going to go this way. Do I have a -2? Right here is -2. Do I have a -2? Yep, I have two -2s, but I only write one. There's nothing at 0. Here's 2. Do I have any dots underneath the 2? So I write the 2. And then here's 4. I have a 4. Then I go for range. Range, I start down here on my range because y is my range. And I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to go this way. Okay? And wherever I see a dot, that means, boom, I got a range. Do I have anything at -4? I have 2 of them. How many do I write? Do I have anything at -2? Yep. Do I have anything at +2? Yep. That's it. So I went this way for the x, had something at -4. Had 2 things at -2, only wrote 1. Had 1 thing at 2, had 1 thing at 4. Do the same for number 4. This is the same thing. Okay? Domain and the range. Well, this is easy. D is my x is my domain, y is my range. So my domain, got to go smallest to largest. My smallest is -5, then I have -4, so I cross them off. Then I'm going to go to 2, because 2 is next. Then I go to 3, and then I only write 1 4. I only write one of the 4s. That's my domain. My range, smallest to largest. -3, cross it off. -2. And then I have 2, 3. Don't write them twice, only write them once. What does f of x stand for? F of x is the same as, because I asked you. Yes, y. Same. Well, that was easy. All right. If you have any questions, come in. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.